have my grater, my 3 colored starbursts, my aluminum foil bowl, safety first, oven mitt for heat, paper towels, and I brought some tongs just in case as well. So first, what you're going to do is you're gonna open up all your starbursts. And now, I'm going to take my grater and I'm going to break it up. I've never grated candy before. It's not an easy process, but this is what it would be like for weathering. Weathering is the breakdown of rock on Earth's surface. With every experiment, you will find things that may not go the way you want them to go. And it's a little warmer in Nebraska today. Here, in layers. So we have our first layer, that pink layer, and then we're gonna take our orange layer, put it on top, and then we're gonna take this yellow layer and put that on top as well. And we're symbolizing erosion right now, which is when minerals are moved to a different location. So that's erosion. So now we're compacting. Okay, so now we can open our aluminum foil, maybe, we'll see, hopefully. It got really good in there. Okay. Oh, it's sticky. All right. And then we pull a little piece off. Get that pressure and heat going. So from the rock cycle, you go from your sedimentary rock with your sediments and your minerals that compact and cement together. And then you have your heat and your pressure that turns your sedimentary rock into a metamorphic rock. Guess one thing I'll say for the experiment is make sure your house isn't 77 degrees because it's melting it before I even get it all done. I'm gonna need another aluminum foil bowl for this. So this is turning into igneous rock, and igneous rock occurs when magma or lava heats up a rock like this, a metamorphic rock, and then it cools and turns back into a solid, and the rock cycle continues again. But this is very, very neat. I love the visualization of this experiment. I'm such a visual person, and this helps me learn and connect the rock cycle as a theory in my brain and actually makes it a reality, and I can actually see what really does happen. What is crazy about this is that these starbursts, they have just a softer consistency. So for rocks to really just break down and compact and cement together, that has to take just an astonishing amount of pressure and heat to be able to make that happen. And it's just absolutely beautiful that the earth and the world can make that happen. We're getting closer. We are going to let that cool. Fold it in. That's what the paper towel's for. So I don't get my textbooks all sticky. There you go. And we're gonna let that, so you can hear that it's hardened, but it's also very much stuck to the aluminum foil. Overall, I would say this experiment got me in a very sticky situation. It gave me a better understanding of the rock cycle and how sediments compact and cement together to create those sedimentary rocks, and how those rocks are then heated and pressed to make the metamorphic rock, and then heated and then cooled and then solidified a little better than my starburst here to make igneous rock. And that is the rock cycle. Thank you for joining.